So that concept of split is also there. We use that same concept of splitting, number splitting. So let's discuss this one. The formula name is proportionality, sutras. So we are going to use the proportionality here. As I told you, what is the use of number splitting? I'm going to discuss that way as well. Like I told you, to find the 63 seventh time. Okay, what is the 63 7 jar? That is the exact question. So what I told you in that case, I told you to do the split, right? Individually. Individually means what? We are going to split this number and do the multiplication of both the number. इससे क्या होता है कि जो 2 डिजिट के वैल्यू यहाँ पे आते हैं उसका सेकंड वैल्यू आप यहाँ ऐड कर देते हो. So 1 is there and 2 will going to add here. So this will become 40. So the answer is 4 4. तो आप कर क्या रहे हो? एक्चुअली आप स्प्लिट ही कर. तो आप कहोगे नहीं हमें तो 7th टाइम निकालना था और यहाँ आपने 77 लिख दिया. तो इसीलिए जो ये आप क्वेश्चन करते मुझे उस टाइम पे, इसलिए मैंने नंबर स्प्लिटिंग वर्ड का यूज ही नहीं किया. मैंने क्या कहा कि आपको इंडिविजुअली मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है, विद दैट क्वेश्चन ओनली आई हैवंट टोल्ड यू द रूल नेम number, because in number splitting when you are going to learn about multiplication, because we are doing multiplication here only, in that case this number is going to be duplicated for each of the numbers. Like if the number is 632 and you are splitting this number in 3 parts and actual multiplication was multiplication with 2, it means what? This number will be present in every part. Okay, it doesn't mean this is 22 22. It means this is, we are applying the split, the number was 632 multiplied with 2. Okay, so let us start the discussion with that. So number splitting in addition. What is the use of number splitting? As the name suggests, split means splitting the number in 2 parts. Now look at this, 36422439. Addition is very easy. We can do that. 9 plus 2 11, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8, 6 plus 4 10, and 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 6. So 6081 we get the. But if we are doing such kind of addition, we can split the number appropriately. If we are going to split the number appropriately, we can do it mentally. How? 42 into 39, everybody know 81, and 36 plus 24. So instead of adding every digit, what is the difficulty here? If you are going to add a single digit like 9 plus 2, so our mind is programmed in a such a way that we have to carry over. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 8. So because of this carryover, because of the individual number of addition, you took time. And instead of that, if you are going to split like this, you can see I splitted the number in 2 parts. 42 plus 39 is 81, and 36 plus 24 is. So in this way, we get the answer. Okay? So that kind of a split we can use in addition. Always this number not be a 4 digit. Sometimes it may be a 3 digit. Sometimes it may be a 5 digit. So you can split the number in multiple ways, like 2 3 4 6 1, and I'm adding 3 5 8 4 2. Now look at this. This is a 5-digit number. So somebody asked me, sir, can we split into multiple parts like this? Yes, you can. But in that way, you are doing the same thing. If you are going to do the multiple split, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what? This is actually the individual addition, which you already know without doing the split, right? So the value of split is only useful when you know how to split accurately. In this case, look at this. I'm splitting in 3 parts because I know that 61 plus 42 will get 103. So I'm writing 03 only. 1 will be carry over 8 4. 12 plus 1 is 3, and that's 25 plus 35 is 68 plus 1 is 69. So answer is 6930. So the split is also depend upon how you are going to split. The same thing I'm going to discuss here. Now look at this. The number is 342 and 587. If we are free to split the number in any part. So first split, I'm taking the first value outside, first 2 value, and the last value will be separate. Now the second split is what? I took the first value outside, and the rest 2 value is the. Now I'm going to add this. Just look at this. You will find what is the difficulty in this 2. 42 plus 87, 129. So I'm writing 29 here, and 1 is carry over in our mind. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the correct answer is 929. Second split, 34 here, 58 here, 278. So now 2 plus 7 is 9, and 58 plus 32 is 9. Now tell me which one is easy, the first or second? Why? Because if we are going to add this split, you will get a carry, and because of this carry, you waste a lot of time. So when you are splitting, just scan the number carefully and do the split accordingly. Okay, then it will become a fast calculation in addition. So in this number, you can see only single digit you are getting 2 plus 7, 9, and 34 plus 58 is 90. You have to keep in mind few things, and accordingly you can do this. So you are free to split this number in any form, but while you are doing the splitting, you should keep in mind all these factors. Now, here is the multiple examples of subtraction. So how we are going to split the subtraction? Look at this, splitting in subtraction. Same thing. Now, what we have to keep in mind here, okay? Now, if you are going to, because this is subtraction, and if you are going to split from here, then look at this, what is the difficulty? Can you subtract 32 minus 53? Can we subtract 32 minus 53?
Borrow, we have to borrow and do it.
We have to take borrow. So obviously, this addition we make a very difficult. And this subtraction we make a difficult because of this borrow concept. Now, instead of this subtraction, if I'm going to subtract number like this, 3, 3, 1, 5, and 2, 3. Now, this is little easy. You can see that if we have to take borrow from here, this is 12, 12 minus 3 is 9, and this is 32, 32 minus 15 is 17. So number is 179. But you can't do this here because this number will become a 3 digit. Now 3 digit minus 53. Look at this. And then you have to do 2 minus 1. So this factor you should always keep in mind while you are doing the split. Now look at this split. If I'm going to split from here in this number, very easy it is. 42 minus 39 we know 3, right? But because this is a 2 digit number, so you have to write down 0. This is 0, 3. Now next 36 minus 12, 14, that is 12, 24. Here also you can check the subtraction. This is the 5 digit number. So how we are going to subtract? In two parts, 6 minus 4, that is 2, 94 minus 48, 46, and 78 minus 35 is 43. So 43, 46, and 2. So answer is 4346. So this will going to, when you are subtracting, check out that the first number, this is the first number actually, must be greater than the second number. So you don't have to face the borrow. Okay. 56 is 69. You can see that. So if you are going to split from here, that is bad. Okay. Now, let's discuss the multiplication. Actually, I already discussed various multiplication technique till now, almost 5-6 method of multiplication. But still, this kind of split is very useful. One is in tables, and the second one is I'm going to discuss here. The number is 263 and multiply with 2. We can do 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, and 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5. But the second way is we can split from here. And if we are going to split, we can write down 2 here as well. So 3 2 ja 6 and 26 2 ja 52. Everybody know this. The number will become 526. So we can perform the split like that as well. As usual, you know that this kind of multiplication or calculation is a part of rough work. So you can choose as per your convenience. No one is going to ask you in the exam that how you have done this kind of steps. Because obviously this will look like a misleading to anybody that how you are going to multiply 263 multiply with 22 and you will get only 526. Why? Because we know that this is number split. This is not a multiplication of 22. In this way, we can do the multiplications. Now, what about the subdivision split? Again, the same thing. We can do the whatever we did in the multiplication, we can do it in a subtraction as well. Number is 6234, and we have to divide with 2. So instead of division with 6, then 2, then 3, then 4, we can split this number into part. Now look at this. If you are going to divide this number into part, you will get 17 here and you will get 31 here. So answer is what? 31 one side. But in the same split, by mistake, we are going to split like this. So 623 is not divisible by 2. This is divisible. You got 2, but this is not divisible. So you get a number in decimal. And that will become a difficult to you to find the right answer. So splitting is always, if you are performing split, you should always be careful while doing that. Only thing is you have to take care of multiplication and division. Then when you are splitting, don't split the number multiplicand. I'm talking about don't multiplicand in two parts. Suppose 26343. Okay. And if you are going to perform the split from here, it doesn't mean you are split like this. Actually, that number is 43 here and 43 here. Obviously, if this is a 2-digit number and 2-digit number, you will find difficult to do multiplication. So instead of that, you can do simple 0, and now you can use the 1 cross 1 cross 1. This multiplication technique, and you got the result very good. Get it? So this is called as number splitting, and using the number split, you can do the basic operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. Now this topic is completed.